Your kitchen is with you through everything. Your space reflects you and how you work within it. A good setup can make or break your cook space. But when it comes to actually organizing a small kitchen, things get tricky. So let's make our kitchen organized and functional by doing little things. Using some organizer, we can make countertop functional and organized. An organizer helps us to organize everything in one place. Everything in one place means work become easy. I try to organize everything in these two-tier organizers. Try to go vertical by using hooks. I always try to hang items vertically so that there will be less clutter in counters and cabinets. Using this metal door hook organizer, I hang my daily use cups as well as spoon, strainers, etc. In this way, I try to organize everything in one place in counters or vertically. If we get everything in one place, work becomes very easy. Dispensers we use is bulky and does not look good. So let's make this sink area also presentable, just placing some good looking dispensers and tray. And just to decor, if want, we can place one plant too. Water bottles lying in counters does not look good. Place them in one tray and make presentable. Moreover, it inspires us to drink water time to time. Just want to share something about amazing website, that is Miralink. This is very friendly website. You will get variety of products and organizer in very reasonable rate. And you will get COD, free delivery and 5 days return policy and deal of the day. You can place your order in WhatsApp number also given on the screen. Link of Miralink will be given in description. Include folding rack. This will help you in kitchen a lot. It helps you dry fast vegetables, fruits, utensils, and it works as a hot plate stand. Use undersink by this type of extendable organizer that will well adjust according to your sink. Organize everything related to cleaning. Or use this type of rack. Or you can use some small stool. Segregate everything by using some baskets. Doing all this in our kitchen make our work organized and functional. So that's all for today guys. I will meet you soon in the next video and I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.